I'd like to ask, as a lost Muslim, I find myself in a tough situation as a gay man, but I miss my faith. I feel ostracized by the Islamic faith, but I wish there were a clear path for myself. Advice. Okay, so this is a deep question. I've had a discussion on this topic with a lot of different people. What I would say is that you need to realize that, first of all, Islam is about you and your relationship with Allah. Okay, Islam is not about the sins that we commit or the wrongs that we do. Okay, of course, as Muslims, you know, the difference between a good Muslim and a bad Muslim, in my eyes, is someone actually who goes back to Allah and keeps repenting and keeps asking Allah to forgive. So I think what I would advise you, Malcolm, is just realize that there's a difference between belief in Allah, belief in His angels, His books, and everything, and that connection with Allah, and the sins that you do. Right? It's not a topic I think we should go into too deeply, but I would just say that you need to realize that your relationship with Allah and the things you do are two different things, and you can still maintain a relationship with Allah. So you don't have to be someone who's outside Islam or anything. The most important thing is for you to maintain a healthy relationship with Allah and try and do your best and repent for anything that you do wrong, and Allah knows best.